Hi friends, I have 5 little kittens. Let's count to make sure I really do have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do have 5. And look, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 also. Let's use your fingers to be your kittens, and I'll show you the motions to this rhyme. It goes like this. 5 little kittens stretching by the door. The orange one pounces away. Pounce. Pounce. And that leaves us with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 numbers. 4 little kittens scratching on a tree. The black one pounces away. Pounce. Can you make one pounce away? Pounce. And that leaves us with 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now sometimes kittens get angry and annoyed with people and they hiss. That's what's going to happen next. 3 little kittens hissing at you. Ooh. The brown one pounces away. Pounce. And that leaves us with 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 little kittens purring in the sun. Oh, they purr when they feel happy, and they always feel happy in the sun. The gray one pounces away. Pounce. And that leaves us with 1. 1 little kitten looking for some fun. The white one goes off to join his friends. Pounce. And that leaves us with none. But let's bring them back because they're just so cute. I've got them all. We've got our white one. Whoopsie. He's got a number behind him. Our white one. And our gray one. And the number 2. And our brown one. And the number 3. And our black one with the number 4. And our orange one with the number 5. So cute. Thanks for pouncing and counting with me. See you next time.